Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of aerial photography and videography with an exciting product, the DJI Flip RC-N3. We found this impressive drone online and added the link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability for yourself. So, what is the DJI Flip RC-N3? It's a lightweight, compact drone designed for adults, equipped with a stunning 4K UHD camera and advanced features that are sure to impress both novice and experienced drone enthusiasts. Weighing in at under 249 grams, this drone not only meets the regulation requirements, meaning you won't need to register it in many regions, but it's also incredibly portable, making it perfect for travel. Now, let's talk about some of the key features that set the DJI Flip RC-N3 apart from its competitors. First and foremost, it boasts a remarkable 31 minutes of maximum flight time. This means you can capture more breathtaking footage without the constant worry of battery life. Imagine soaring high above stunning landscapes, all the while knowing you have ample time to explore and film. The drone is equipped with a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor that captures more light, delivering images with exceptional clarity and vivid detail. Whether you're filming a beautiful sunset or capturing the intricate details of a scenic landscape, the DJI Flip ensures every shot is stunning. And speaking of stunning, it records in 4K at 60 frames per second, allowing you to create smooth and professional-looking videos that truly showcase the beauty of your surroundings. One of the standout features of this drone is its 3-axis gimbal stabilization system. This technology helps to eliminate shaky footage, ensuring that your videos remain smooth and cinematic, even in windy conditions. Whether you're filming a fast-paced adventure or a serene nature scene, this stabilization feature is crucial for high-quality content. The DJI Flip RC-N3 also includes smart features like subject tracking, which keeps your subject in focus while you concentrate on flying. This is particularly handy for outdoor enthusiasts who want to capture their adventures or for anyone hosting an event, like a party or family gathering. The drone acts as your personal cinematographer, following you around and capturing every significant moment. Safety is another priority with the DJI Flip. It comes with full coverage propeller guards made from lightweight carbon fiber, providing comprehensive protection for both the drone and those around it. This means you can fly fearlessly, knowing that you're protected from accidents that could occur during flight. This drone is perfect for a wide range of users. If you're an amateur photographer looking to elevate your skills, or a traveler wanting to document your adventures in stunning detail, the DJI Flip RC-N3 is an excellent choice. It also suits hobbyists who simply enjoy flying drones for fun, thanks to its easy-to-use features and intuitive controls. In practical terms, you can take this drone on hiking trips, capturing the breathtaking vistas you encounter along the way. Or, if you're at a family gathering, you can use it to record fun moments, ensuring no memory goes uncaptured. The possibilities are endless, limited only by your imagination. Before you make your decision, do note that due to platform compatibility issues, the DJI Fly app has been removed from certain app stores. Be sure to visit the official DJI website to download the user manual and the latest version of the app for the best flying experience. In summary, the DJI Flip RC-N3 is a fantastic drone that offers a blend of impressive features, safety, and ease of use, making it suitable for anyone looking to explore the skies and capture stunning visuals. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you,